What's happening, guys? We've got a lease return on this Rav-4 today. Cross panel scratch and a door dent. $460 for this one. Let's have it. I've actually declined to carry out the full repair on the door due to some poor previous work by a big name body shop, so I've opted for improvement only with glue pulling. Now, I'm no PDR guy, so it isn't perfect, but a major improvement. And if the door is flagged in the return, it will be down to the body shop to rectify their poor previous repair. Let's get on with the other work. And there we have it, another one repaired.